It's hard to believe this is still Ha Giang. And this. It seems the further we go beyond the loop, the more we see. Join us on this scenic route as we ride with our Easyriders from Ha Giang province to Cao Bang province, specifically from Meo Vac to Bao Lac. We start off by exploring the Ma Pi Leng Pass. Follow us till the end to find out if this journey is worth it. Xin chào! We're on an 8-day tour of Ha Giang Loop and Cao Bang Loop with our motorbike Easyriders. This is our day 2 of the Ha Giang Loop. In our previous video, you can see our day 1 was very foggy and we missed out all the stunning mountain sceneries. But today, we want to remain hopeful. Right now, we're leaving Dongvan and heading for Meo Vac. The road that connects these two towns is the Ma Pi Leng Pass, said to be one of the most beautiful roads in the world. We're slowly climbing up the Ma Pi Leng Pass. Even with the fogs, the mountain peaks here are something out of this world. We're at the highest point now and we can't see anything from here. Okay, let's hope it won't be foggy in Cao Bang. We're going there tomorrow. You could in fact get more impressive views from the skywalk. Unfortunately, the walkway up there is covered in fog. I guess we'll have to return to Ha Giang someday. So cold. Oh, a charcoal grill. Let's get warm here. Let's see what we have. Egg, sweet potato, corn. So simple yet so satisfying. The smoke and the smell makes me hungry already. These are sticky rice from the bamboo pipes.
Quite plain if you eat the rice by itself. So you have to eat with this thing, which I think is peanut and salt. It's warm, nice for this weather.
It's supposed to have mashed chestnut, butter, and beans.
Apparently it's walnut cake. It's chestnut cake. Okay guys, now we're gonna go back on the road. We're gonna go to a river. Oh, let's go. In this foggy weather.
This pass has a sad story. Many young volunteers braved themselves building this road in 1960. They worked hard and some even died. Indeed, they are the real heroes of Ha Giang. Without them, we won't be here today. And we can see a river below. The blue is so mesmerizing. Now we're almost at the bottom of the pass, so the fog has lifted quite a bit. We're going down the road to go for a boat ride. From there, you can get different views of the Ma Pi Leng Pass. The building of several hydropower plants along this river has changed how people live in the nearby villages. But it also made it easier for boats to move around because there's more water now.
So you have to buy tickets, which our tour guide is buying right now.
This river originates from Yunnan in China. It flows through Ha Giang and later merged with the Gum River in Cao Bang. Since the gorge is very deep down, there's seldom fog here. But there is this kind of hazy filter that makes it look like a painting coming to life. Look up at those little villages up in the hills with hardly any road access. These may be the most authentic villages you can find here, untouched by the outside world.
So you can get some food here.
So, let's begin our boat ride. Over here, the cliffs drop down on both sides to form the deepest gorge in Southeast Asia.
The wind is so strong when going back. How is it? Nice views.
From here, we hit the road again, and we continue our way to Bao Lac in Cao Bang province. But first, let's have lunch. In the northern region, halal food are hard to come by. Fortunately, Vietnam offers an abundance of deliciously cooked vegetables.
The vegetables.
For Meo Vac, we follow the highway to Bao Lac. This is where we break away from the standard Ha Giang Loop. On a standard loop, we normally go from Meo Vac to Zuzia to eventually complete the loop. But since we are doing an extended loop, we will stay a night in Bao Lac before moving on to Cao Bang. So we follow the Highway 4C along the Nhem River. We need to travel another 40 kilometers before reaching Cao Bang province. As we drive along the Nhem River, we see the landscape slowly changing. More villages and fields come into view, enhancing the scenic beauty. The sharp peaks are now fading into the distance, and the once narrow and steep winding roads seem to widen and straighten out a bit. We've been on the motorbike for like an hour non-stop. It's time to stretch our muscles. Our legs and butt hurt so badly. And weirdly, our legs are not feeling the ground as we walk. Wow, this is just a random stop, but what a discovery! Such a beautiful spot hidden in the most unexpected place. It's getting more peaceful too, with the majority of Western tourists opting to stick to the standard loop. There's an abundance of plantations and lush greenery stretching out before us as the road descends into this beautiful valley. It's peaceful and serene. The scenery is really unlike what we've seen so far. There are also more people doing their own stuff outdoors. It's like we're stepping into this reality show, watching everyday life unfold against that breathtaking backdrop. It reminds us of the simplicity we long for in our lives. This is where we meet the Nho Que river again. It's the natural dividing line between Ha Giang and Cao Bang provinces. We're now in Cao Bang province. Let's continue on. Along the way, we see homes of different styles and people wearing different costumes. While in Ha Giang, the Hmong people are the largest ethnic minority. In Cao Bang, you can find other ethnic groups such as Thai, Dao, Nung. We have passed several hydropower plants along the river, and we've lost count. But one thing for sure, change will come to this remote area. After crossing this bridge, we will be following Highway 34 to Bao Lac. But first, let's take a break.
Okay guys, so right now we're at a cafe for like a little break and a drink as well. We are going to go to our next place, but it's like so far away. We've been on the motorcycle for like maybe an hour already. Like, my butt hurts, like it really hurts. But yeah, we ordered some drinks, so I'm really excited for that. And this place is really pretty too. So these are just what we got. We got mango smoothie, and we got bubble tea, matcha bubble tea. I wonder how this tastes like compared to Singapore. What? Nice? It's creamy too. It tastes a mango. And it's creamy too. Like, I don't feel the texture of the mango. This is matcha, not tea. Oh, same thing. That makes it. Okay, makes it. We're expert drinking bubble tea, so. They're pro nice. I like that. It doesn't taste like matcha, but still nice.
As we ascend the mountain once more, the scenery might not be as dramatic as before, but it remains majestic and impressive. Hang on, we have to go up this steep slope as the homestay sits on a hill. The homestay is outside of the town, so it's peaceful and quiet here.
Alright, now we have reached our homestay for this night, and it's all the way at the top of the mountain. So it is really cold as well. I'll show you guys the room, and it is very simple, yeah. Also no heating as well. So yeah, but they give you thick blankets, so I hope that will help. They have a really nice painting over here. Yeah, it's my table. There's two beds. And then this is the toilet. Yeah, I mean this is big space. I'm not really sure what it's for, but this is what you need. You have a shower, basin, and a toilet bowl. I wouldn't say it's the cleanest, but it's actually quite nice. The smell of this place is actually the view right outside the room. It's actually insane.
Who runs this homestay is super nice. They make you feel right at home. The dinners they cook up are seriously delicious.
You can see the smoke. Because it's just so warm. Dinner was quite nice, honestly. It was a very hearty meal. Yeah, it was a comfort meal, especially in this cold weather. Yeah, but the food here gets cold very fast. And now we're back in our room, covered up with a bunch of blankets because we need it. There's a hole at the top. There's many holes. Actually, everywhere have holes. Because there are holes, you can also hear sounds from other rooms as well. It's kind of funny, but yeah.
We're feeling more hopeful now. Since Cao Bang appears to be less foggy, we may be able to get clearer views. We're excited! We can't wait to see what Cao Bang has to offer!